What's up guys, it's Jake the Snake and we're back at you with another one all about snake plants, and this one is a beauty, ain't she? Just kidding. In the comments I was asking about what I need in the background because this thing is so white. It's me. It's not really Jake the Snake, although my name is Jacob. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is something I'm pretty excited about. Just got back from a ride, I'm super sweaty, so anxious to open the Akin lineup. Jeans, sweatshirt, got the vest. I became a quarantine consumer during the coronavirus lockdown. I've been anticipating the arrival of this package for a while. The Australian Post was shut down, US Customs was shut down. That turned into a month and a half of me sitting on my hands waiting for this stuff. So let me run down, grab it, and you guys can join me in the unboxing, the first impressions as we go through this thing. I need a drink first, dude. Freaking so parched. BRB. You guys probably want a review on this. I'm trying to rack up the miles before I actually give you some credible advice whether or not you should buy this, but it's stacking up. More to come. Got some things. First off, got this in the mail. The motorcycle wireless charging by Quadlock. You hook it up to your battery, it goes through the head of this, through the case, into your phone to charge it. I'm not gonna be doing a review, I don't think anytime soon, but I'll be posting my thoughts and impressions after a while. First off, you get the Akin thank you. Thank you for purchasing. And then you get some Akin stickers. The vinyl, these guys, just a bunch of stickers you can throw everywhere. I already got them on my laptop. First off, let's start with what's on top. There it is from this angle. Let's open this baby up. All right. You see the tag. Cordura fabric makes this product more durable. It's designed for living, built to last. Let's unzip this thing. It's quilted. In terms of seasons, it'll probably be spring, winter, and you'll probably throw it on top of another jacket if you want to ride this thing in the winter. Stitching looks good. The Akin branding, subtle branding on the pocket. You got the Akin tag, buttons all the way down, as well as a zipper. Whenever you have a button-up shirt or a zip-up shirt, it's nice to have both options. You got the button up and then you also got the zip, so you're protecting yourself against the wind, as well as it's easy to pull off if you just want to button up real quick. All right, so this is a medium. For reference, I am 5'11", $160. What do you think? You got two pockets on the chest. One will hold my garage door opener, and the other one will hold my pack of cigarettes. Joking. Maybe some of you guys out there smoke. Just don't. Or pop into a Juul. Or don't. Inside you have another pocket, which looks to be like water sealed. Inside you got that pocket there, looks to be water sealed. Overall, looks pretty good. Here's the back. So far, impressed. The subtle branding that's reflective on the back there. Handful of maybe aesthetic stitches on the back that I'm talking about. This is called their battle vest. Forgot to mention that. It is 12-ounce Cordura. Recently I made a video about Saint Model 3 jeans, and I talked a little bit about mostly Dyneema, because that's what those are made of. This is gonna be against kind of what I said. This is Cordura, but because it has quilting, I don't anticipate to sweat in this. If it's Cordura on my skin, that's when I start to sweat. It's almost as if you're wearing saran wrap or plastic straight on your chest. It's not water absorbing, so it actually repels water, so you end up keeping your sweat kind of tucked between the fabric, like plastic fabric, and your chest, so it feels really, really wet. Weird. Because this has the quilt lining, that shouldn't happen. This is just normal quilting. Put this aside. All right, the next one I'm pretty excited about because I've been wanting it for a while. It is the hoodie. And I'm gonna throw the bag. Get out of your bag. So we're talking about a different fabric with this hoodie. DuPont Kevlar lining. Let's talk about first impressions. You have the subtle branding, which is embroidery stitched. It would be a woven label on the pocket here. Pretty solid so far. Looks to be Kevlar lined all around except for the hood. Guess they're anticipating you not wearing your hood while you're wearing a helmet. Wear a helmet. They customized this thing, you could tell. Let's turn it inside out a little bit. What I'm looking at here is the inside of the Akin Kevlar lined hoodie. You can see that there's a pocket for back protection, D3O or Knox or whatever you want to use. The lining is all wrapped with logo bound Akin. Let's turn the arms inside out and see what's on the inside of the arms. Inside of the arms, they do have Velcro mesh pouches for your impact foam. Feels like a really, really nice cotton hoodie with the inside being Kevlar. You can see what is yellow, designating the Kevlar lining. Went with a medium here. I am 5'11", buck 60, 160 pounds, what that means. Length fits perfect. Michael Jordan poster. Let's test the zip. This is the Akin Kevlar lined motorcycle hoodie. Shoulder, wrists, chest, back, everywhere but your hoodie. Wear a helmet. You shouldn't need Kevlar in your hood. Wear a helmet. It's about 80 degrees in my apartment right now. I'm sweating. This pocket, this is to me in any motorcycle gear, is an essential. If you don't have any sort of pocket, what are you doing with your design? Water resistant with this pocket again. And then of course you got the normal pockets. Akin claims that this is a longer fit. I think I can vouch for that. Looks to be a couple inches longer, maybe an inch or two longer than the normal hoodie that you would buy off the shelf. Overall, this is gonna give you the protection of Kevlar. I don't wanna deep dive into Kevlar versus everything else, but for me, I tend to, coronavirus. I tend to gravitate things with Kevlar in them because it's proven, and for some reason I enjoy the comfort of Kevlar over anything else. This has the mesh around the Kevlar, so it's gonna feel lighter if it is hotter outside, but you just bought a black hoodie, so the sun is gonna make it hot anyway. And that is $130 US. This is what I've been waiting for. This is the Akin Stealth motorcycle jean. The price point on these bad boys is amazing. I just released a video about Saints. I've talked about Ugly Bros. Where these fall in line is almost half of those. This is $175 US. I'm excited. Talking with them in the DMs, they spent quite a time designing these. What is this stickiness? Bad design. Strong, stretchy, abrasion resistant. Leather or leather-like material. It feels like leather. Been watching a lot of Rose Anvil guys where they like cut up boots, and I feel like I know more about leather than I do. I'm just like making up half of what I'm just regurgitating half of what I hear from that channel. I like how these feel. They feel nice. They feel nice. They feel nice. Oh man. Ace stitching. I see you, I see you. These are a small, so my waist size kind of runs between like a 30, a 31, 32. I took my measurements and I decided on a small, so hopefully they actually fit me. Akin here, Akin here. Okay. So here it is, here's your pant. Very seamless. This is the rear backside. Kind of has that Lululemon branding. Looks to be a reflective material, just the A in the circle. On this side, same goes, except for no branding. This is a slim fit, really tailored for the rider, is what they said, and hopefully that they did. Pockets look to be normal size. I know a lot of motorcycle jeans have a deeper pocket or maybe a zip. These do not have that. Double loop for the belt, front clasp. It's gonna hold your boys up. It is a zipper, which I prefer. I'd rather not have buttons. Good button. It is just a like nickel or brass button. This is not normal denim. Not normal denim. It's stronger, like way stronger is what it says. This features a Cordura denim outer shell with a genuine DuPont Kevlar fiber lining. So really what they're doing here is they're tackling the abrasion resistance 2 factors. They got the outer shell, which is Cordura, and then they got the inner lining, which is Kevlar. Best of both worlds, an extra layer of protection. If you're gonna compare to other products, you have Ugly Bros, which is denim cotton outer, and then you have Kevlar lining in the high impact zones like your butt and your knees and the upper legs. You have Saint Model 3, which is a one universal fabric all the way through, interwoven with Dyneema. It's kind of their own tech. They do have higher impact zone threads in the knees and the butt. This is going one step further, and yet I just had to double check. It's 175 bucks. Good job. So here's the front. Ooh, you got the small pocket. Giving you a glance at that Kevlar, this is that yellow Kevlar. This is what it's, when you see yellow, you typically think Kevlar or the sun, but we're talking motorcycle gear here, guys. Come on. The outer shell is that Cordura. It's 12.5 ounces. And then the inside is a 165 GSM interlock DuPont Kevlar. What I can tell already is we're not fully lined, as to be expected, going for the high impact zones. The back, you go a little bit below your butt cheeks, and on the front, top all the way to below the knee. If you're really worried about your calves, these are not the pants for you. But again, maybe they are, because the Cordura outer shell is there to be your first stop line of defense. Kevlar feels nice. It's not mesh laced like the hoodie was, but I tend to like my skin straight on the Kevlar. Feels nice. Stitching looks substantial if we want to dive into the stitch quality. What you also notice when I just held those up is there are pockets for your impact foam, both hips and both knees. That'll fit your D3O or any other high impact foam that you have. Oh wow, I just noticed what they did. I don't know if other pants do this. You know how some sizes of foam are bigger? Trying to adjust maybe for your height and maybe just for the length of your knees, your foam with two areas of Velcro. So this Velcro can just come up should you want to shift down your foam. Pretty nifty. I'm stoked, man. I've been waiting for a while, like I said, to get the shipment in. All black everything. I already have the Akin glove. Oh! Just remembered. I got these in the mail too, a while ago, and I didn't even tell you. I kind of told you. I gave the mediums away because they didn't fit me. These are the smalls. Finally got the smalls. It's what a subtle difference a size change makes. Look at that. All right, let's wrap things up. I need to try these on, and I'm gonna tell you the prices. First off, Ghost gloves, go check these out. These are like 42 bucks USD. You have the Kevlar motorcycle hoodie. This thing is gonna run you 130 USD. This vest, I may pop this on now. This guy's gonna run you only 90 bucks, so you gotta do something about your own sleeves, you know? I just watched some MMA last night, so I feel like I can, beat somebody up. Amanda Nunez would kick my ass. These stealth protective motorcycle jeans, they're gonna run you 175 US dollars. My suggestion, they're not paying me, and I bought all of this. My suggestion is to save yourself some shipping cost and buy everything. So you can put it all in one box and they can ship it to you. They have many other products like the jacket, they have an all-day shirt, a few other gloves like the blips that I already reviewed here. I'm excited to put these on. These are the stealth motorcycle jeans. Tell me what you guys think. This is just my first impression. Of course, I need to put them on, see how they feel, see how they fit. I'm anticipating they're gonna work pretty well. Already tried on the battle vest, already tried on the hoodie. They fit me. This is the kind of apparel that I like. I know some of you guys out there are saying, wear more gear all the time. I get that. I'm a all gear some of the time type of guy. In the summer, I just don't want to sweat that much, so I'm just gonna pop on a t-shirt, the battle vest, and these jeans, and look the part wherever I go, and then come back, feel pretty comfortable, pretty safe. I'm not out there popping wheelies and going 120 miles an hour. I just want to be safe should I go down, and these guys, including this newly designed motorcycle jean stealth by Akin, I'm anticipating really good things. That's it for me. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what I should be checking out. I know I always say this. I do check out everything you guys suggest. There's other things I do want to check out, Pando, Moto, and some other guys, but for right now, I'm pretty content on this purchase. Again, I was a quarantine consumer and overconsumed. Probably shouldn't have done that. Anxious for a review in the future, so watch out for that review. Watch out for the Shoei review that's coming. Maybe I'll do a review on the Ghost gloves, but they should stack out very, very similar to the blips, just a summer version of those. The last video where I did a giveaway, I felt bad. It wasn't an international version. I'm gonna give away 2 of my lanyards. These are the last two, as well as a zillion other stickers. Black ones, I got yellow and red ones. I got them all. I got Watch for Motorcycles. Winner will receive a packet of goodies. All you have to do to enter is comment below and be a subscriber. Hopefully there's more videos to come. I love doing these. I'll comment on everybody else's comments. Even if you just throw me some shade, that's always fun too. Until the next one, see you guys. Peace. Okay, I tried them on and they fit really well. They are a slim fit and they're tailored and they're nice and they fit me like perfect. So hopefully I can steer you right. My waist is normally like a 31 in Levi's jeans, but these are a 30. They fit me exactly like the Ugly Bros. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of insight. This Kevlar feels really nice on my skin and they fit me like normal jean, man. Like just straight normal jean. They look great. So, second time I'll say peace. Catch you on the next one. That was Motorcycle. Peace out, guys.